We have a package. Oh yeah, this is the cardigan. So let's flip it. Let's see. I got the cardigan here. Medium. Put it on. Yes, smells good actually. It smells sick. Fits me pretty well. Nice. Show you here. Not bad. Button this up. Might get photobombed by a kitty. Oh yeah. Block it, kitty. Go, Joe. Go, Joe. Not bad. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Like and subscribe. This is a nice cardigan from Vans and Vans and what is it called? Vans and another project. It's another collaboration. Vans and Anaheim. Here's the hat to go along with it. So there we go. Just like and subscribe. Yeah, I like it. It looks nice. It's a nice jacket. So, cardigan. We'll go from there. So, please like and subscribe. Appreciate it. Go from there.